Let's review the top 3 designs that we did here at Vidor Garage Door in 2025. Starting at number 3, we've got the Clermont design that was done in our Bridgewater series. This design has chevron slats surrounded by a deep frame that gives depth and vibrance to this design. Coming in at number 2, we have the Acadia design. This is done in our Cornerbrook series. These clean, classic lines give a traditional carriage house feel that's hard to beat. Top on the charts this year at number 1, we have the Beaufort design. This was done in our Shoreline series, and it's easy to see why this one came in at number 1. With modern geometry and cutting edge lines, this contemporary style door gives effortless beauty. We loved these 3 designs this year, but obviously you can only have one for your home. Comment down below which one it would be.